Alright guys, what it do? It's your boy X coming at you guys with another video. And in today's video, we're going to do a dividend portfolio update because as you all know, these markets times are crazy. A lot of things are falling. No, everything is falling. Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything in the stock market, literally everything in the stock market is like just falling. Everything. The recession seems like it's actually upon us, right? So I just want to give you guys an overlook on my portfolio and how is it looking, because as you guys know, I invest heavily and I plan to invest really heavily this year into my dividend portfolio. So let's just take a look at it and see how we're looking today. Alright guys, before we get into today's video, would you mind liking this video? If you're on mobile, if you hit the thumbs up, it'll pop some confetti for you. No, to celebrate it. And if you're not on mobile, I mean, it still turns blue. So no, make sure you turn it blue. Just help your boy out. Why? Because I really want to grow my channel. I'm really loving the idea of YouTube. I'm not making any money from it as of now, but I just do enjoy, just pretty much documenting my journey. And I want other people to see, because like I said again, I was on CNBC Money and I got to tell my story, and since then a lot of people have reached out and I've been able to help a couple people. And there's some people who just don't believe it, but it be like that sometimes, right? But please consider just liking the video to help push it out to more people, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because like I said, I do plan to invest very heavily into this portfolio. Hopefully this year I can acquire another property. So just hit the subscribe button so you can be up to date and you can catch all this, because I'm most definitely gonna do a video on it. So really appreciate it. Now, talk about my dividend portfolio. As you all know, the market is falling. Yes! My portfolio is actually doing pretty good. I am down, of course, as many people are, but not down as much as you think. Why is that? Because like I said, I'm investing in dividends, and if you've been watching my channel, you saw that about 2-3 videos ago I let you guys know that I rebalanced my portfolio because I saw what was going to happen, and I strongly believe that we are heading towards a recession, and times are going to get hard, a lot harder. Me personally, I think it's going to get a lot harder, but they are going to get hard, and I do think stocks, crypto, houses are all going to fall in price. That's why I'm trying to get cash heavy. That's why I'm trying to continue the dollar cost average down on these stocks. So therefore, maybe in a year, 2 years, 3 years, we don't know how long it's really going to last. When it starts to bounce back and get back to those all-time high, my portfolio have significant growth because I've been dollar cost averaging down.
You smart.
None of this is financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. That's why it's my YouTube channel and I'm documenting it. So therefore you can just see the process of what happened long term, right? Oh, he just kept buying even though it kept going lower and lower and lower. I am. Why? Because I truthfully have no intention of selling out of my stocks. Why? Because this stock portfolio is to be there for when I get to the point where my investments can supplement my lifestyle. And when it's able to supplement my lifestyle plus my income from my job, I should be able to skyrocket myself to wealth. And that's my goal. So I'm going to be really heavily into the stock market. So like I said, consider subscribing. But let's get into my portfolio. Now, as you can see, my portfolio is just shy of 40,000. If you've been watching my videos, you know that my portfolio has been shy of 40,000 for some time. Why? I was at 40,000. I've been buying in, but the market's been falling. So with that market falling, plus me allocating in, plus dividends coming in, it's pretty much keeping me around that 40,000 mark. Like I said, if stocks were to recover, I would be higher, but for right now, they're not, and that's a good thing because as long as they're low, I can keep buying at these prices. So, but the portfolio value hasn't changed, but the stock quantity has, and that's why I want you guys to understand. For somebody like me who is a dividend investor and I get paid off dividends based off how many shares I have, I want all the shares.
Oh, I like that!
All right, guys. If you're interested in starting to invest, please consider looking down in the description. In the description, I have affiliate links. Those links will use platforms that I personally use to help you start investing. Like I said, the platform you just seen was M1 Finance. That's for my dividend portfolio. That's my main dividend account for my portfolio. If you want to start with them, I like the platform. Consider using that link. You know, I get like $25. You'll get like $25, so that help you start your account. Robinhood is also down there. I use Robinhood for options. I haven't been trading that many options because I'm really trying to focus on getting as many shares as possible in this account. So, but check those links out, man. You can really start to grow your wealth. And I think it's one of the best times to get in the market because everything is down year to date. Like year to date, everything is down. It's like the worst start in stock market history. And unless you think the stock market is going to go down to zero or like half its value forever, then yeah, maybe you want to sell and not be in the market. But if you think we're going to recover at some point, a year from now, 2 years from now, consider starting investing today with those affiliate links in the description. But as far as how I track my actual dividends, I use the platform Dividend Tracker. Why? Because it's free, and I like free. A lot of dividend trackers make you pay. This one does not. Now, is the platform perfect? Of course not. It does have its defects. It does refresh your stocks, but sometimes it doesn't refresh them. Like you'll still have stocks that they're not showing the actual quantity, but it tends to fix itself probably within 2 to 3 days. But it's not perfect, but it's free. Whereas something like Simply Say Dividends is quite expensive. It's like $500 a year. So it's free, it kind of but it works. So if you hop on over here, you can see my dividend yield is high, and I am approximately making for over $4,800 a year just in my current dividend stocks. Yes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the tab where it says upcoming dividends, and you can start seeing my payout allocations right here. This is going to, on this platform, it show you up and coming dividends. If they haven't confirmed the actual price yet, it'll just estimate what the dividend payout may be, right? But it just give you an estimate of what's to come, what you're looking like, and if you can continue, like what days are going to pay out and things like that. That's why I like this platform. But as you can see, I'm making over $420 a month, and I'm just getting started. And yes, I know I'm at 40K, and people like, it'll take me a while to get there, but hey, it all starts with your first step. Just start. Use the affiliate links in the description and start investing today, guys. So that's my dividend portfolio. It's looking very good so far. I'm hoping to grow this portfolio significantly. I can't even explain to you how real it's going to get. You must stay tuned to see it. So hit that subscribe button, because I'm going to be dumping in as much money as possible. I'm going to be coming to the summer season, and a lot of carriers cannot withstand the heat, and this is why I shine bright. So I'm looking to really like allocate. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can keep up to date with this, and you can see that growth, and hopefully I can inspire somebody to start one and see the effects of just dollar cost averaging in and slowly building your wealth. But that's all I have to say for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Do not forget to hit that like button, and it's your boy X here, and I'm out.